Hi all, my name is Amandeep Singh. This is my 8th tutorial on iOS development. My today's topic is UI Collection View. Let's get started. UI Collection View is a class provided by UIKit framework which is used for scrolling content, which is scrollable grid content or list items. So today we will learn about scrollable grid. We will also learn about structs. So structs is a value type that allow you to encapsulate related properties and behaviors. Let's understand. Let's get started. Let's start with UI collection view. UI collection view. Let's add constraint. So for constraints, please refer my earlier videos. Let's update these constraints. Trailing 0, reading 0, top maybe 100, and this may be 0 again. Okay, so now we have a collection view in interface builder. So we will also learn about custom cell today. So to create a collection view cell, we will create maybe users collection view cell. Okay, this is users collection view cell. Move on to interface builder. This is a collection view cell. Navigate to this icon, update UI collection view to user collection view cell, and also the identifier to be whatever you want. I'm just updating the same identifier with U as small. So now we have a collection view cell. Let's add some elements in this collection view cell. Label 1 for leading, top, trailing, for name maybe height 2. I am updating trailing 0, leading 0, top space maybe 20, height 30. I am also updating the size of the cell. So we nearly accommodate two cells, 186 and 250. Also please make sure, like when you are defining your own size, remove this automatic to none. So now we have this cell with the label name. Let's align the content to center line. Let's add another label and name it maybe age. So navigate to second number. Again vertical spacing, and let's align leading and trailing, and let's add bottom. So this constraint is wrong because we already added the vertical spacing. So either add bottom. So let me remove this constraint and add bottom space. Okay, bottom space is 20, and let me also remove the top and align it to this level, vertical spacing, and give it to 20, because I am going to add another image view for just a demo user icon. So this image view again added with the leading, top, trailing, and some space from this level. Okay, let's update this minus value to 0, 0, and top space to super view 20. Okay, no, this would be 0 and bottom space to label would be 10. Let's align a icon, user icon. So I have added a user icon like this. Maybe we will also add height, then it would work. User fill. Okay, so now we have 3 items in this cell. Navigate to this icon, open your cell and add the outlets, label name, label age. So we have 2 items in a cell, age and name. Let's add a new Swift file for the struct. This would be users file. Let's move on to users file. Let's create a struct user. Let's add 2 variables. Name would be a string, variable age would be an integer. Okay, now we have 2 variables. Let's create an array, variable array users, which is basically an array of user, this struct we just declared. So if we just click jump to definition, you will go to this struct. So now we have a struct. Let's add some value in this struct for index in 1 to maybe some values. I'm adding 8 values, and then variable object user is equals to user. We have declared an empty struct, then assign the value name to be user and index user 1 2 3, object user dot age. I'm just adding dummy values, index plus 10, and then array users dot append. Then I'm appending this element object user to my array. So now I have 7 values or 8 values in this array. Now let's add collection view cells, collection view delegate and data source method, collection view data source. So we have delegate and data source methods. Let's start with number of items in section, cell for row at index path, and then size for item at size for item size for item. Let's add it later. So number of items in section, return which is self dot array users dot count. Right, now for this cell, let's navigate to our collection view. So we have collection view cell, we have size 186 250. So our cell is user collection view cell. Let's update this to user collection view cell, and identifier we declare small u over there. Then we have array users, object user, label name that object user dot name, cell dot label age dot text is equals to object user dot age. Okay, now we have to string, so let's convert to int value. So we have int value for to provide a default value which is maybe 0, or we have to update like this. String we have to, this is an integer, so we can't assign integer directly to a string. Then we have to provide a default value. I'm providing age 10 maybe, we already have 10, so let's say 50, something like that. So okay, now what is pending? So we have to assign delegates and data source method to this collection view. So data source and delegates would be view controller. So let's assign this. Let's run it on simulator and let's see the result. Great. So we have this much 7 elements and each user one with 11, 12, 13, 14, this much is. Thanks. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel as a lot of videos are on the way. Thank you.